Hello friends, welcome to Chaco's tutorial, Spoken English class, day 15. Today we will learn a small conversation about asking about prices. Asking about prices. The topic of the conversation is asking about prices. That means when we go to the shop, we inquire the prices of various items. Before I go into the conversation, if you are new to my channel, please press the like button, share button and the subscribe button. Now, in this conversation again, two people are involved. One is the shopkeeper and one is the customer. So, I've taken two names, Tony and Tina. So, let's say the customer is Tony. So, he asked a question, how much does this pen cost? How much does this pen cost? That means what is the cost of this pen? So the shopkeeper's name here is Tina. She didn't hear properly, so she said, I beg your pardon. When you don't hear anything properly, you want the person to repeat, we say, I beg your pardon. That means please say it again, I didn't hear properly. So Tony again said, how much is this pen? How much is this pen? That means what is the cost of this pen? So Tina said, it is 350 rupees. 350 rupees. It is 350 rupees. That is the cost of the pen, 350 rupees. Then Tony asked another question. The next question he asked was, how much is this briefcase? So he found another briefcase there, so he asked the cost of that. How much is this briefcase? How much is this briefcase? What is the cost of this briefcase? So Tina said, it is 750 rupees. 50 rupees. 750 rupees. That is the cost of that briefcase. So Tony had asked, how much is this briefcase? So Tina said, it is 750 rupees. So then Tony said, that is fine. He said, that's okay. That is fine. I will take it. I will take it. So I will buy this. I want to buy this, or else I will take it. So then Tina said, will there be anything else? Anything else? Will there be anything else? That means, do you want anything else? Do you want to purchase more items? So then Tony said, I don't believe so. I don't believe so. Thank you. That means I don't think I will buy anything else. Thank you very much. You can pack this. That is the meaning of it. So Tina said, then Tina said, we are having a sale. We are having a sale on leather goods today. We are having a sale on leather goods today. The leather items are on sale. Sale means the prices will be reduced, right? The prices will be reduced. We are having a sale on leather goods today. Then Tony asked, is office supplies on sale too? On sale too? Is office supplies on sale too? Sorry, not is, it should be are. Are office supplies on sale too? So then Tina said, yes, prices have been reduced. Prices have been reduced from 20 to 40%. 20 to 40%. She said the prices have been, office supplies, the prices have been reduced from 20 to 40%. Then Tony said, I saw the prices are marked in red ink. I saw the prices are marked in red ink. That means the prices, the reduced prices, that is 20 to 40% is reduced, that prices are marked with red ink. Okay, then Tina said, please do visit again. Please do visit again. That means come again. Please do visit again. Then Tony said, sure, I will. That means, sure, I will come again. Then Tina said, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Then Tony said, you are welcome. You are welcome. So, this is a small conversation about prices, asking prices in a shop, asking the prices to the shopkeeper and the answers given by the shopkeeper, and how you purchase a item and how nicely the shopkeeper behaves and how the customer behaves. So, this is a conversation about asking about prices. Hope you understood this conversation. You can practice this number of times, and thank you very much for watching this video.